beach and then this shit happened. This shit happened. Look at this shit. Freaking cancel out freaking day to the beach. What the hell? Well, it doesn't matter. I mean, rain is warmer than the beach water, right? The water over there is like freezing because we're more on the north side. We live more on the north side.
Let's just still go.
Yeah, let's just still go. I mean, the rain is just...
It's not even thundering. It's just rain.
Facts. Chunky, I'm on your side. Chunky, I'm on your side. Me too.
Like for real.
Yeah, Mookie, high five.
That's the boys happy. Watch this. What's that gonna happen? It's gonna stop raining.
Hashtag freaking beach trip got wrong.
Tornado watch.
Hell no! I'm getting out of this car.
Ready, guys?
What the hell? What the hell was that hump noise? I'm running. Yo, I think there's a tornado running
tonight. You would run faster than the car.
Imagine yo, I think there might be a water spout. Because if there's a storm over a sea, then there's gonna be like a 50% chance of a water spout. So a tornado forming over the sea is a water spout. And you're stupid. Why would you get out the car if there would be a tornado? I'm running. Look at you. Because what if the tornado is right in front of us? That nigga in reverse. True, how we gonna get out anyway if there's a tornado? I don't know, just live in the tornado for the rest of your life. Yo, I'm dead. I have to wear my pad in the water. Would you rather die with your dad? Yeah, let's play Would You Rather. No, would you rather die with your dad or with your husband? Probably my dad. Because so he want to die alone. Would you rather surf in a tsunami and survive, or fly in a tornado and survive? I'd surf on a tsunami. That'd be cool. But it's gonna be dark, so you can't really see the view if you're flying in a tornado. No, well, that was today's vlog, guys. Subscribe if you want. Bye.